Hi, I am Avra. Welcome back to my channel with a new content. It's a vast topic, but now we are discussing about the specific domain, that is virus and threat protection. You all know that what virus is. Virus is a program written to enter to your computer and damage after your files data. The virus might corrupt or delete data on your computer. Virus can also replicate themselves. A computer virus is more dangerous than a computer worm, as it makes changes or deletes your files, while worms only replicates itself without making changes to your files and data. Firstly, you should check your desktop performance. Go to the taskbar and click on the task manager, and then you see the both CPU and memory utilization. If you notice greater than 75%, then your system should be full scanned. So let's start it. So step 1, open start on Windows 10. Then step 2, search for Windows security and click on the top result to open the app. And third, click on virus and threat protection. And then under the current threats section, click on scan option. Select the full scan option to check the entire system for viruses and any other type of the malware, and enter the scan button. Okay, bye. Hope you all satisfied of my this content. Bye.